This is Kaivac cleaning system. This is basically, in a nutshell, is somewhat like a pressure washer and a vacuum cleaner all in one. The benefit of this system to have your own water source with you. As its composed alternative is having a pressure washer getting ready to spray, you would have to have a water source of some kind to do so. This machine eliminates all that. You got your own water source, your own vacuum, your own chemical source, all in one. It's a nice system. This is the dump tank. It has its own sight glass on it. I tell anybody that's not familiar with it, if you run into it and don't know, it usually would be cloudy with some type of debris or somewhat on it. It's composed of difference on the cleaning tank. This is the clean water tank at the bottom. This machine holds about 2 to 3 gallons of water, easy. On a real replica regular model, it usually have a tube sitting up here to direct you where to put the clean water in at. This model here also comes with a chemical bottle on it. Right now we don't have a chemical bottle on here, but if it was on here, it would have this hose in it to get the chemical out. It would stick in there something like this, just as an example. And it would feed the chemicals up through the machine. This is the valve to cut it on and off. If you want the chemicals to mix in with your clean water, you cut it on. If you don't, you cut it off. It's also adjustable. It's not a clean cut off. You can give it a little bit, or you can just give it completely off. This is the vacuum button, self-explanatory. You cut that on, it cuts on the vacuum. This is the pump, also some refers to sprayer. That's this button as well. This is the sprayer that comes with the machine. This is one of your main parts you'll be using more than anything else, this sprayer right here. You spray this if as far as soil debris, urine, or whatever, feces or whatever in the bathroom, you use this to spray it down with. You saturate the area that you need to be clean and agitate all the debris or whatever you need to clean up, and you can hit urinals or whatever else with it. It's a pretty good thing. It only give you probably like 50 PSI as compared to a pressure washer, probably give you 100. So it sort of put it in the reference of the threshold of power you got to clean with. This unit right here is your vacuum cleaner hose, typical vacuum cleaner hose. This unit comes with a bunch of attachments. One of the attachments I have here today is the floor attachment. Simple squeegee, hose, attachment, put it in, pick up the debris and water. Dumping it, you dump this at the bottom. This is your dump tank. The actual way to dump it is a valve down here where you can open it up. You can't really see it on film. That's one of the ways, or you can also just take the hose in a common manner and dump it out, just manually like that. There's another filter right here. This is your clean solution filter. A lot of times, if you can't get your spray out, your clean solution, you spray it and nothing come out, you don't get no pressure. Try come looking at this. This is your all your clean solution. You just twist this off, simple filter. Sometimes it have all type of condensation and debris and stuff on it. You rinse it out in the sink or whatever the case might be, put it back, screw it back on, continue on what you're doing. It also has lock and canister wheels. You can lock the canister wheels and continue to go on. Real convenient. This machine comes with its own chemicals. Usually give you a gallon bottle. It'll be Kaivac labeled, same as the maker of the machine. You can use an aftermarket solution, but typically you would have to do a trial and error thing. Probably do a little half a pack, a portion pack, and you probably could get away with that.